Hey guys, welcome to Paritie TV. On this episode, we'll be discussing mobile tips, and our focus will be on Google Maps. Well, you see, Google Maps has become so essential, especially in our daily lives, because it gets millions of us to wherever we want to go to with ease. But the thing is, we just have to know how to use it. Now, how many of us even know about the existence of Google Maps or even how to use it? Well, that is why Paritie TV was on the street to get feedback from people about Google Maps. Now, how many of us, even though we have smartphones, know how to use Google Maps on our phone? Well, that's why we are on the street to get feedback from people concerning Google Maps. So come with me. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, what's your name?
Washington.
All right, you're welcome to Paritie TV. Do you have a smartphone?
Yeah.
Okay, so most of the times, what do you do with it?
I chat, I do my assignments with it and stuff like that.
All right, so have you heard of Google Maps?
Yeah, I have.
So have you used it before?
Yes, I've used it before.
So like, what actually did you use it for?
When they stole my friend's phone, we used it to track the phone. But we couldn't really find the person because the map was somehow confusing. We didn't understand it.
So do you have a smartphone?
Yeah, of course, yes.
Okay, so most of the time, what do you do with your smartphone?
Like I browse, I play games online. Yeah, I chat most of the times Facebooking. Anyway, yeah.
Okay, but do you know that there's an app called Google Maps on your phone?
Google Maps. Wow, no, I don't know.
Have you heard of Google Maps?
Yes, I've heard of Google Maps.
Okay, have you used it before?
Like once or twice, yes.
So what did you use it for?
I actually used it to get, as in to track where I was going to. That was like last year when I was in Lagos. I wanted to visit someone. Person is staying around my Mile 12. So I had to use the Google Map to locate the place.
Yeah, I heard of it. I know little about it.
Okay, so have you used it before?
Yeah, I have used it before, but I'm not that much conversant with it.
Have you heard of Google Maps?
Actually, I'm hearing it for the first time.
Welcome back. Well, it is obvious from that video that quite a number of people do not know about Google Maps or even how to use it. Well, that's why this video has been put together to give you tips about how to use Google Maps and make the most out of it. Now, one of the first things to do with Google Maps is to save your work and home addresses. How do you do this? Open Google Maps, tap on the menu, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on your places and then enter your addresses for home and work. And there you go, you'll be able to navigate from work and home without necessarily entering addresses again. Now, another very important feature about Google Maps is that it can help you with directions. Now, how do you do this? When you open your Google Map, on the search bar, you enter your destination, click on enter, and it will bring up your current location to your destination on the map. When you click on directions, it will show you whether you want to use a car, a bus, a bike, or you want to walk to wherever you're going to. Now, after searching your preferred option, all you have to do is click on start. Now, as you start your journey to your destination, it will give you directions whether you want to take right, whether you're supposed to take left, or just go straight. And there you go, it will get you to your destination. That's how to use Google Maps to get directions. Now, another thing you can do with Google Maps is to search for places nearby. How do you do this? You open Google Maps and immediately you see a box written explore nearby. You see different options from restaurants, hotels, supermarkets, different places. You can even click on more to get further options. Now, when you select, for example, hotels, you see options for hotels nearby your current location. Now, you select your preferred hotel. After clicking on it, it will open for you. Then you click on direction and it gives you direction from your current location to that hotel that you have chosen. Now, another important feature of Google Maps is the voice command navigation. How do you use this? Now, when you open Google Maps, on the search bar, you see a microphone icon. Click on it and speak your command, and it will do just exactly what you want it to do. For example, if I want a location to Paritie Dynamic Enterprise Limited, what I do is open Google Maps. On the search bar, I click on the microphone icon. I just speak Paritie Dynamic Enterprise Limited. Then it will bring up the location on the map and probably a photo, that is if Paritie Dynamic Enterprise Limited is registered on Google Maps. Now, another very important feature of Google Maps is that you can add a missing place. Now, when you want to add a missing place, make sure that whatever information you're providing is very accurate so that someone that wants to get to that location in the future doesn't get confused or even get missing. Now, how do you add a missing location? You click on Google Maps. When it opens, at the top left corner, you find 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu. When you click on it, it's opened and you scroll down and you find add a missing place. When you click on add a missing place, it shows you another page where you provide information like the name of the location, the category, and the address. After providing this information, what you do next is that you go to the top right corner, you find an arrow facing the right. You click on it and that location automatically saves and is updated by Google Maps. Now, do you know that you can also add your business on Google Maps using the same procedure that you use to add a missing place? All you have to do is open Google Maps, click on the menu bar at the top left corner of your screen. When it opens, you scroll down, add a missing place. When you provide the necessary information like the name of your business, the category, the location, you go down, you click on add photos, website, opening and closing hours. When you provide all this information, then you click on save and your business automatically saves on Google Maps. So people will find it easy to access you even on Google Maps. For example, if I register my business under the category of restaurant, whenever anybody that is within that location searches for restaurant, my business can also pop up, and you see it will be very easy for them to locate me, get vital information like opening hours, probably amount on certain things to get in my restaurant. There are so many tips that can help you make the most out of Google Maps. If you have any question, don't forget to put it in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to your question. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to click on like, and if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Now, you can also follow us on our various social media platforms at Paritie Ltd. Again, at Paritie Ltd for both Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also visit our website at www.paritie.com. Bye bye.